What do you expect while dropping your car off for service?
Hello, Mercedes-Benz.
We at Mercedes-Benz are all set to surprise you with the best experience you and your car can ever go through. Introducing the all-new Premier Express Prime, where you get the best of everything. From the waiting lounge to guided inspection of the service, our personnel will be there to answer all your questions and make your visit an amazing experience. While we give your car the love and care it deserves, feel free to step inside our plush waiting lounge, where we won't keep you for long, unless you want to. In Premier Express Prime, we service your car in not more than 180 minutes. That takes care of your Star's A and B type service needs. It also includes replacements of brake pads and brake discs. Being the pioneer in customer satisfaction, we make sure to meet all your needs, and Premier Express Prime is another initiative in that direction. Finally, we present to you our spanking new Star with all the goodness you loved about it.
Mercedes-Benz, the best or nothing.